Well, this is a first for me. I'm in London. I'm looking out at Blackfriars Bridge, and I'm looking at the road that I used to walk down from Fleet Street when I worked there. We come down here at lunchtime sometimes. But what a view! Look at this. I'm looking at a river cruise boat, and I'm looking at a tugboat clearing something. Whether it's garbage or what, I don't know, but it's very impressive. This is really the working river. And this is my room at Sea Containers Hotel. It used to be the headquarters of Sea Containers. This is where Jim Sherwood had his home, had his professional home for many years. And now it's been made into a hotel, and it's part of the Law Group. That's L-O-R-E. Now, getting in is a bit difficult because weird tracks for the doors. I will show you in just a minute. Here are the tracks. Can you see? Don't know whether I'm ever going to get the door closed, but still, we'll try. It's a one-room studio. It is amply big enough. It's got low ceilings, and I think they've been clever not to put too much in it, frankly. But I've got 4-seat dining. I've got a television on the wall, get my finger out of the way. I've got a bed facing the river. I've got another television there, sockets, etc. Sockets bedside, and one USB too. And downstairs at front desk, it's all very nautical, or rather shipping. It's marine rather than nautical, I would say. I've got a mini bar with a safe in it, and the guy who showed me up showed me very carefully how to use the coffee maker and how I could get hot water out of it. And look at these big hooks. I've got, I think this is a little powder room in there. I like the colour of the closet, which has not a curtain, a pull across. And this is the bathroom. A big room, but they really couldn't do anything else with it, I suppose. Tub, Malin and Gertz toiletries. And the big overhead shower. And Hollywood lighting, which is superb. Ooh, I got in the way there. And this lovely lampshade, overhead lampshade. I love things like this. Here we are, looking out at the river at Sea Containers Hotel.